What if you could increase your income by 1,000%, not overnight, but by using a proven success formula you can start applying today? This isn't magic, it's a step-by-step strategy that transforms the way you work, think, and earn. In this video, we're breaking down the 1,000% income formula, so you can start making massive progress in your career and business. The secret to massive income growth isn't sudden breakthroughs. It's tiny, consistent improvements every single day. A tiny improvement of just 0.1% each day may sound small, but when compounded over time, it leads to incredible results. Even a tenfold or more increase in productivity and income. Step 1 is what many top performers call the golden hour, the first hour of your day dedicated to you. Use this time for reading, learning, and strengthening your mindset. This prepares your mind to tackle the day with clarity and confidence. The second step is planning your day before it starts. When you write down the tasks for the next day ahead of time, you force your brain to prioritize what really matters and avoid wasting energy on confusion or hesitation. Not all tasks are created equal. Successful people prioritize the most important work first, the tasks that drive results, not just activity. This is where focus becomes your competitive advantage. Once priorities are set, give them your full attention. Deep, uninterrupted focus on high-impact tasks dramatically increases productivity and value creation. This is how income begins to multiply. Step 5. Turn your commute or idle moments into learning sessions. Listen to audiobooks, podcasts, or educational content that grows your skills and mindset. This transforms every spare minute into progress. At the end of each day, ask yourself two powerful questions. What did I do right? What could I do better next time? This reflection fuels growth and ensures you learn from experience. Step 7 is all about relationships. Treat everyone you meet, clients, coworkers, even competitors, like million-dollar customers. Respect builds trust, opportunity, and long-term success. Increasing your income by 1,000% isn't about luck. It's about continuous, disciplined improvement. Apply these 7 steps consistently, and you'll see your productivity, confidence, and income rise in ways you never thought possible. If you're ready to accelerate your income and take control of your financial future, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more proven strategies like this.